In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Bloxstrap multi-row blocks not working. So in order to fix this particular error, we first need to head over to Bloxstrap right here, and if it's not launching, the problem may be because it doesn't launch with Bloxstrap features or you don't see the Bloxstrap launcher show. To fix this, head over and launch Roblox with Bloxstrap manually once. This will register Bloxstrap as Roblox Web Launch Handler. And from in there, you can head over and then launch through this option instead of this option. If Bloxstrap doesn't open at all, it may be because no installer, main menu, or absolutely nothing were found. You can head over and then make sure that you have it or the latest version of it installed right there. You can also head over and search for the runtime right here because you have an updated version right there and you just need to update it all together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.